What's up, guys? Today I'm here making another video, and today actually is snowing. It's snowing really bad. I'm in the living room right now. That's not the only bad part. There's actually a blackout here, so there's no lights. Lights don't work. That's why it's kind of actually dark. And here I got a blanket, and I got a red pill here just to keep myself, warm and cozy. Yeah. Here. Wait. This on. See how bad it is. So I should get it to focus, but it is so bad outside. Like, it's a blizzard. No wonder there's no school. Tomorrow, hopefully, there's no school. Yeah, and here, so no lights work, except for like a flashlight or something. Like a light here. See, it doesn't turn it on. Yeah. Bathroom lights don't work. I don't know if you can see, but it's not working. None of these lights work. Literally, no lights work. Sorry if this video is like a bit too early. Will you look at that? The oven doesn't even work. I don't know if you could hear it, but that's a lot of wind. This light doesn't work. This doesn't work. I could open it, put something in. Not gonna work. Yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna get this video to upload, because like how bad it is, and because there's no power, and I can't upload it because the power is out. But when power gets back on, I'll be sure to upload it as soon as I can. But yeah, that's all I just wanted to show you. I'm actually fine here, if you guys are wondering, but I'm actually cold. But yeah, bye guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.